I'm Songbird, and I write songs in Danish and in English. And I was gonna actually but sing 2 songs in Danish. And then I found out that there were so many English-speaking people today, so I changed my mind. So I'm gonna sing a brand new one called Jailbird.
Yeah.
It's not so much about, being in jail. Haven't tried that yet. But it's more the prison of the mind. So this one's Jailbird. Jailbird, will you ever see the sun? Will you regret what you have done? Wonder who will be the one to comfort you? The sun goes down, but no hope comes with the morning. And when it's late at night, you turn your back and roll away. You say there's nothing left to say, but you don't really mean it. You're only afraid of the dark. Jailbird, you're only afraid of the dark. Jailbird, will you ever grow wise? I think it's time to realize it's not about the things, the bell that always rings. It rings for you, but you refuse to even listen. And when it's late at night, you turn your back and roll away. You say there's nothing left to say, but you don't really mean it. You're only afraid of the dark. Jailbird, you're only afraid of the dark. Jailbird, has your heart turned to stone? Are you feeling all alone in your prison cell? Have you been to hell? Well, it's time to see you were the only one who ever held the key. And when it's late at night, you turn your back and roll away. You say there's nothing left to say, but you don't really mean it. You're only afraid of the dark. Jailbird, you're only afraid of the dark. Thanks so much.
That song is brand new, and you got a big catalog of songs, but that one has quickly moved into my top 3 tier. That's the Songbird.